So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to today I'm going to introduce you how to use Filmora9. So it's a very professional editing software and it's so easy to use the software. So you can just right click the Filmora9 and click open. Or you can just double click it. Yeah, and there we go. Filmora9 is opening. Ta-da! Filmora9 is opening. Yeah, it'll take a little bit of time for the opening. So, Filmora9 is open. So the first thing we're gonna learn is how to import media in Filmora9, or let's just call it Filmora9. Yeah, so the first thing we are gonna learn is how to import media. You have like a big screen here, a blank saying drop your video clips, images or audio here, or click here to import media. So here, or click here to import media. So click it. And there we go. We got a lot, and you can take any of them. So I'm just gonna open a file, and there we got the file. Just to click the add button, and here it asks project settings, the resolution of frame rate, it's asking, so just click match to media. And now we got it. Now we got it. Yeah. So at the ending it's like, and at the ending it's saying, so if you want to add more, just like, if you want to add more, right click here and click again import. So you can add any of this more. So right now just this video is okay for me. And the first thing we're gonna learn is how to mute a video. So here, when we play this, there is an audio coming. So there's an audio coming. So just like right click it and click mute, or just click Ctrl+Shift+M. Anything is okay. But clicking Ctrl+Shift+M is a shortcut key, so I use that because it's very easy. Then the second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add audio. So it's the same thing how you added a video, but just select an MP3 or an audio. So I click it and click import, and you can select any audio in your desktop or anything. So but right now I don't have any audio, so just go to audio in the second tab in Filmora9, and you can download a bit of audios. I already have downloaded 2 audios, so I'm gonna add drift. Just take it and drag it to the timeline. And there we go. We got the audio. So here, the next thing we're gonna do is learn how to trim, or we're gonna learn how to trim or split a video. So here at the end, after this video ended, the music is still coming, so we need to trim it. We need to trim the we need to trim the audio till the music till the video ends. So go near the audio where it ends. Go near the audio where it ends, and keep your cursor on it and just drag it to the left side. Go there. Drag it. Yeah. After you dragged it, just enter the video. See? It ended. So the next thing we're gonna do is split the video. So when we go here, so I just want to cut the first part. So when you play here, when you go back, yeah, here, so you have a trim option right here. It's saying click to split, Control plus B, drag to move playhead. So click on that, and the video is split, as you can see. I mean, the video is not split but the audio, but split. Yeah, now the video is split. Also, I just want to delete the friends part. Select that, right click it, and click on delete. Then you just need to drag it to the left and even decrease and even delete this. And there we go. And even let's like, yeah, good. There we go. We have trimmed the first part. Right? So, and the next thing we're gonna do is we want titles to add, because without titles it will be like too dull. So click on titles and go with you can go with lower third, custom, or any title you ever wanted. Like I have favorites, 2 favorites. So I have default lower third and lower third 3. Lower third 3. So for now, default lower third is much better. So click on the add to project and it's added, and you can even make the size more or less. It's your wish. And if you want to change the title's name, it's like when we go near the styling of it, it's saying your title here. So we want that. So just double click on the title. And then you can keep your title here and just change that to. Okay, first I just want to change the font, so let's take this font, or we take any of other fonts. Like we have a lot of other type fonts. So I'm gonna take this type of font and click Minecraft. That's a game name. And I'm gonna even change the font because this font is so small. So how about 90? Yeah, good. Yeah, there we go. So let's change that to 100. That's a lot. Yeah. You can add any font or any style or any font you want. So even you can add another type of font. So now with the text color to be white, that's okay. And text space, it's your wish. So I'm gonna take the alignment left bottom corner. So click that, and you can take it in the middle or right or this way or any way. So I'm gonna take this. So now I'm gonna take this. So this is the alignment I needed. So now if you want to rotate this, your font, you can just rotate it here, or even you can rotate it here. So I just don't want any rotation, so I'll keep it as the default. And even the opacity, everything just default. It's your wish. And I'm going to the animation, and if you don't want any animation, just click no animation. Or if you want wavy style, cinema style, or typewriter, there are lots of styles here, like left direction insert, up roll. So right now I'm actually okay with typewriter. You just double click the animation you want and you get the animation. Say Minecraft. There we go. And you can just click OK if the font editing is over. And there we go, we got a video. And our file is here. And if you want the font to be the whole video, if you want the font to be with you the whole time till the video ends, so just drag it, and there we go, the video ends. There we go. So the audio and video ends suddenly, so we need to make the video a bit more detailed. So go near the audio and you see a bit small icon up there, and just drag that to the left as much as you want. So now if you play it, the audio will get low in range a little bit, and at the end it will be muted. So we got a full video. You can add as much long as video as you want. I just added a video like 23 seconds. You can even add it as 1 hour. It's your wish. So this is a very easy editing software named Wondershare Filmora9. I'll keep the link in the description if you want to download this editing software. So now we have a whole video editor. And the final step is how to export the video. It's so easy. Just go to, you have an icon in the blue color named export in caps. So click on that. When you click on that, it will ask you for what formats: MP4, AVI, MOV, TS, every format, even MP3. If you just click on MP3, you just get the audio of this music. So now you can just name it, and I'm naming it as Minecraft. So now we just gonna, and if you want it till desktop, you can just click browse, and if you can go with any of them. So I'm gonna take desktop right now because it's okay. And now just click export, and it will start exporting. Like, this is a very short video, like it's just 23 seconds, so I'll just take a very short time, and as you see, it's 80. Yeah, it's exported. And if you want to see the full file, if you want to see the MP4, just click find target, and it will open File Explorer. And there we go, we got Minecraft.mp4. So when we go near desktop, we get Minecraft.mp4 right here, as you can see. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.